What if I told you there are superheroes all around us? Not the kind who wear capes or fly through the sky, but real-life heroes that are so tiny, we walk past them every day without even noticing. These superheroes are so small you can't see them with your eyes alone. They float in the air, drift in water, and hide in places you'd never expect. These invisible creatures live in puddles, where a single drop of water can be an entire universe for them. They make their homes in moss, on tree bark, and even in the cracks of sidewalks right beneath our feet. These tiny creatures are called tardigrades, or water bears. They look a bit like chubby, eight-legged bears, and they're some of the oldest and toughest survivors on Earth. For millions of years, tardigrades have outlasted disasters that wiped out dinosaurs and other giant animals. They've survived mass extinctions, ice ages, and even the vacuum of space. Water bears thrive in the hottest deserts, the frozen wilderness of Antarctica, on the highest mountain peaks, and deep in the darkest parts of the ocean. They're everywhere, on playgrounds, in gardens, and in forests, yet almost impossible to spot without a microscope. Their ability to survive the most extreme conditions fascinates scientists and challenges everything we thought we knew about what life can endure. Sometimes, the smallest things in our world hold the biggest secrets, reminding us that true superheroes can be found in the most unexpected places. So, what does a water bear look like? You might be surprised to learn that these creatures, also called tardigrades, are among the most peculiar animals on Earth. Despite their tiny size, they have a unique appearance that sets them apart from anything else in the microscopic world. Under a microscope, they resemble eight-legged, wrinkly gummy bears with tiny claws at the end of each leg. Their bodies are plump and segmented, and their faces are almost cartoonish, making them look both adorable and alien at the same time. They move slowly and deliberately, almost as if they're floating through their watery world. This sluggish movement is why scientists gave them the name tardigrade, which means slow stepper in Latin. Their tough, flexible cuticle acts like armor, protecting them from harsh environments. As they grow, they shed this outer layer, much like a snake sheds its skin, revealing a fresh new cuticle underneath. Tardigrades use a tube-like mouthpart called a stylet to pierce plant cells or bacteria, then suck out the nutrients. This feeding method allows them to survive in a variety of habitats, from mossy forests to deep-sea trenches. There are over 1,000 known species of tardigrades. Some are clear, while others are orange, red, or even green. Their colors can change depending on what they eat or where they live. Each tardigrade is a tiny marvel of evolution, perfectly adapted to its own hidden world, thriving in places where few other creatures could ever survive. Now, let's talk about the incredible superpowers of one of the tiniest creatures on Earth, the tardigrade. These microscopic animals, also known as water bears, have fascinated scientists for decades with their almost unbelievable abilities to survive in the harshest conditions imaginable. Tardigrades can survive without water by curling into a ton, a dried-up ball that pauses life. In this state, their metabolism drops to nearly zero, allowing them to endure years, or even decades, without a single drop of moisture. While in the ton state, they can survive being boiled, frozen solid, and even blasted into the vacuum of space, places where almost no other life form could last a second. Scientists have even sent tardigrades on spacecraft, exposing them to cosmic radiation and the emptiness of space. Amazingly, many return to Earth alive, and some even manage to have healthy babies after their journey. These tiny animals can withstand radiation hundreds of times stronger than what would be lethal to humans, shrugging off doses that would destroy almost any other living thing. Special proteins inside their bodies act like shields, wrapping around their DNA to protect it from damage caused by radiation, dehydration, and other environmental threats. No comic book hero, no matter how powerful, can match the real-life resilience of the tardigrade. Tardigrades are the ultimate survivors, tiny, tough, and truly out of this world. Isn't the tardigrade amazing? You can find these tiny superheroes yourself. All you need is a microscope and some moss or lichen from outside. Soak the moss in water, squeeze it out, and look under the microscope. Search for a slow-moving, 8-legged critter. It's like finding hidden treasure. Explore the microscopic world. Every drop of water is full of life. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows what you'll discover next. The adventure is waiting for you.